Today on Cheap Meat, the dog gets a stat, so it identifies as a Cummins. Figured out what's going on with the avalanche since Coleman over there straight deleted something. And see how much we rip around.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Dodge is getting the fender flares taken off. Let's get to it. All right, this front one's ready to come off. Oh, got a jizzle in it. Oh yeah. There we go. Okay, now it's looking like a proper Dodge up here. Look at that. Fender flare just came with the fender attached.
That's that bolt that I pulled out of the side of it.
He's getting impatient. It's coming off.
Oh, this one's the same way. It's held by the mud flap.
Just ripped the mud flap off. All the fender flares are off and inner fenders. Didn't really want to separate. Looks like a typical Dodge now. What do you think?
Oh, she's heavy.
Oh yeah, you're going the wrong way.
Uh-oh.
Oh.
Frame rail.
Perfect. It's kind of the wrong hole saw, so hopefully it works. Oh. Oh yeah. Let's keep going. Oh. Touching the ground. That's about perfect. Cause the exhaust is right there, so it just needs unclamped. Hopefully it's not clamped and welded. Some people like to do that for some reason. So I guess we'll try to get that all unbolted and get back here in a minute. Well, we got it all put up there. It barely had enough like bend in it to get it up there, but look at that. Stack's done. So now we're just gonna you wanna hold that? You wanna hold my Sony XP?
Yeah, sure.
Taylor's back on the tailpipe too. Not for long. Oh, what do you want to rip on this towards the back of the truck?
You mean like
Ham? Like pull it like back that way. Oh yeah, it's almost out.
Keep going.
Just keep janking it around.
Oh yeah. It's a brand new glass patch.
Yeah. Brand used. All right, so what do you want this thing at?
Probably just straight as you can. Yeah, it's about right.
That's about right. All right, so we're gonna put a clamp on it. So we're gonna have like this, and then bolt it or put the nuts on from the inside to make it less floppy. So right about there. Try not to drill through the glass. Solid in there. So that one's there. This might not work.
So you just drilled 2 holes into my tap for no reason?
Pretty much.
Might just be able to, I was always saying, might just be able to tap it in. Not my head
We're
either.
not gonna be able to get to it anyways because there's like
There's a brace.
there's inner structure.
Yeah. Oh well.
Perfect.
As long as you think it's solid, I mean. Oh, that's mint.
Man, all right. I guess it's time to get some more crook water.
Oh, it's already full.
Oh, you already filled it?
Yeah.
Probably need to calm down. He's getting out of control. Flare being put on. Oh, look at that. Look at that concentration. Thing's mint. It's like you can barely even see the rust anymore. Also, this thing got a curb feeler on it. Look at that. Factory option in 98.
Oh yeah.
Hit it.
Oh yeah.
There we go. Oh yeah. Straight nasty sound in 318. Oh, pop here and there. The limited slip aren't working. Oh, you had a flame come out the exhaust. You had a flame come out the exhaust.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah. Alright, so we're going to try to figure out where the leak is because Coleman broke this yesterday. We're going to fill it up with some high quality quick water.
What's that?
Oh, right here.
Oh.
That done did broke.
Oh, that's an easy fix, though.
Yeah, that's pretty common.
Yeah.
Okay, so I guess we'll go loop that. Alright, so we're just going to cut this off and loop it. So we don't even have to actually put a piece in between it because I can just take this line off when I'm shaking. And I can take this one and just loop it right back down. So that's pretty met. See if I get that in there. Okay, hose clamps off. Dead noises do help.
Oh yeah. Yep. Oh yeah. Didn't do that one, did you?
No. Can you grab that little earth? I guess we'll just put that back on for now.
What? What do you want me to grab?
Never mind. Okay, now that
I don't
smashed
think
my
you
hand.
can grab that. I don't think there's such thing as never mind.
Got to find out. Hands are super slippery.
Yummy.
Want me to do it?
I'll get it figured out. There we go. Oh, one more snip and we'll be good. Okay, 2 more snips and we'll be good. Oh, look at that. Look at the action. Okay, we will need this clamp again.
If you're splicing them two together, isn't the other side going to come out with water? The one that I broke?
So this is the one that he broke, this line here, and this is the one I just cut. So we're gonna just loop them together. I tried to do this so that we don't lose all the coolant. Made this a little short. It's kind of kinked. Oh, that'll be all right. Okay.
Oh, that's fine. It's on the 17th that bad.
Yeah. Okay, down here.
Oh, there you go.
And then, bam.
You
Funny colored spider on you.
Mm.
Wasn't, no, normal spider.
Bam. Perfect repair.
Out of the way the manifold and everything?
What?
I was just asking if it was out of the manifold and everything.
Yes, ma'am. Well, we got it all topped off with some quality crick water. I think we're good. I don't think anything got hurt. Like no boil-bys. Burning some residual coolant off the back of the block down there.
the Avalanche is all good to go.